Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use stashing in VS Code. Stashing is a powerful Git feature that lets you temporarily save changes you're not ready to commit. It's perfect for when you need to switch branches or pull updates without losing your current work. This keeps your working directory clean and organized, allowing you to focus on new tasks efficiently and return to your previous work seamlessly. To stash your changes, first navigate to the source control view within VS Code. Look for the three dots or the More Actions menu and click on it. From the drop-down, you'll see options like Stash or Stash, Include Untracked, to save your modifications. Always add a clear, concise message to help you remember what's in that particular stash later on. Once you've stashed changes, you can easily manage them. Your stashes are visible in the Source Control panel, usually under a Stashes section. You can choose to apply a stash, which brings the changes back to your working directory while keeping the stash available. Alternatively, Pop applies the changes and then removes the stash from your list. You can also simply delete any stashes you no longer require. Stashing is incredibly useful in several scenarios. It's ideal when you need to switch to a different branch, but aren't ready to commit your current, unfinished work. You can also stash changes before pulling new updates to avoid potential merge conflicts. Furthermore, it allows you to experiment with code without permanently saving it, or to quickly revert your working directory to a clean state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.